talk about iPhone XR, which is a 2018 release. We have got one phone which is in red. We have got the charger, the earphone. It definitely looks premium, but we need to check what's inside. I'm going to explain the features about this phone in detail, but for now I've got a very simple basic case for my phone. Let me just put it inside, which actually comes in the same color. So it's a very basic one. I'm still looking out for some reasonably good protective case. I don't think this will protect my phone, because I think this is the most sensitive, slippery, delicate phone on the planet right now. Yeah, it is. Released in 2018 October, and the body dimensions are 5.94 into 2.98 into 0.33 inches. Weight is 194 grams, and the build front back glass aluminum frame 7000 series, and works with nano SIM or eSIM. When it comes to display, it says IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 million colors. Size is 6.1 inches. It comes with iOS 12, upgradable to iOS 12.1. Chipset Apple A12 Bionic. Memory card, there is no memory card. Main camera comes with 12 megapixel camera, and the selfie cam, that is the front cam, comes with 7 megapixel. It has Face ID, and the battery talk time up to 25 hours, music play up to 65 hours. It comes in black, red, yellow, blue, coral and white. The point is, I wasn't seriously ready for the new purchase of iPhone XR, because I was holding iPhone 6s, which was running well, but all of a sudden it just fell down from my hands, and it broke completely. And I thought, rather than just repairing it, I thought of just getting a new one because it was broken badly. So when I actually inquired about the new available iPhone models, I just came across the iPhone XR, which was affordable for me. Was not that easy. But the feeling I had while I was getting this phone was not that pleasant. There are phones which are available around 40,000, 40k, 30k in the market, which performs well. But you have this stigma. We guys are addicted to the Apple ecosystem. You can, if you just look at my background, there is an iPad on the table, Apple Watch on my wrist, and the phone. So we are actually captured in this Apple ecosystem, which will not let you go out of this. But then it's your decision. For me, it was a very contemplating decision. It was a mixed feelings, because you no doubts, you always enjoy when you purchase iPhone, but at the same time, spending 75,000 on this was a task. Yeah, it was a task for me. That's it.